The Broad Street Parkway is a two-lane roadway, approximately 1.8 miles long. It improved the access between Broad Street Interchange with the F.E. Everett Turnpike and the westerly edge of downtown Nashua. It was the largest municipally managed public works project in New Hampshire. The project improved east-west traffic through Nashua. It improved access to downtown Nashua and opened up development opportunities at the Nashua Mill Yard, the Mohawk Tannery site, and the Franklin Mill District. Broad Street Parkway was completed in 2015. My content varies, but there's never any ads on my videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.